Hello, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Good. All right, so today we are going to make moon sand, which you only need 2 ingredients for. And this is a perfect activity to play with outside, right, parents? Okay, so I'm going to get all of our stuff ready. Okay, so for this you need oil. Vegetable oil is fine. And you need flour. You're also going to need a bowl, a measuring cup, and a spoon to mix everything. Okay. So if you're like me and don't want to waste all of your flour, I totally get that. So this recipe for moon sand is cut in half and then cut in half again. So instead of 8 cups of flour to 1 cup of oil, we're going to do 2 cups of flour and half a cup, or a quarter cup of oil. Sorry about that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is measure out the flour. So we need to measure 2 cups of flour. Okay, once you pour it in there, kind of shake it around so it all evens out. And so it's up to the 2 line, okay? Then you're gonna pour it in the bowl. Okay. And now get your quarter cup of oil. So you're going to hold your cup over the bowl just in case we spill and pour the oil in slow. And then kind of drip it around like that. Okay. Now for the first part, we're just going to mix it all together until it looks like it's forming a little bit of sand. And if it's looking a little bit too powdery, you can add a little bit more oil, but not too much because you don't want it to be too wet because you want it to kind of resemble sand. Okay. Now you can roll your sleeves up and kind of mix the rest of it together like this. And like I said, this is a great outdoor activity because you can see that it gets super messy. And this is also great is if you don't even have sand at home, this is a perfect way to make your own sand. I'm going to add a little bit more oil in there. Just a little bit. Okay. Mix it all together. And there are tons of ways that you can play with moon sand. You can make almost anything out of moon sand. So it's just like if you're at the beach and you're kind of playing with the sand that's not completely drenched in water, but not completely dry either. There's like the best kind of sand for sand castles. Just kind of mix it together. Then when it's all mixed, it's kind of going to look like this, okay? Then after that's all mixed together, basically you can just play with it. So I challenge you guys to see what you can make out of the moon sand. Okay, you can form little balls like this, and then you can just smash it and it becomes sand again. So it's super easy. So what I want you guys to do, if you make the moon sand, I want you to make something out of it. And then I want you, with your parents' permission, to share it with us on our Facebook page and our Instagram so we can see all the wonderful things that you guys are doing and all of your creativity and imagination. Okay? All right. Last but not least, if you are playing with the moon sand, before you move on to anything else, we have to wash our hands. Okay? All right, and don't forget we wash them with soap and water, and we wash them for at least 20 seconds. Okay? All right, I can't wait to see what you guys build. Don't forget, tag us on Facebook or on Instagram at GCLibS. All right? Bye, everybody.